Hello? I'm calling about your car's extended warranty.
Go f yourself.
Hello? I'm calling about your car's extended warranty.
Eat my...
Hello? I'm calling about your car's extended warranty.
Oh my god, I knew this day would come. What information do you need? I'll give you anything, please. Hello? What's wrong with my car's extended warranty?
Yeah, this is all a scam anyway, so have a nice day. You, you're cool. You, I'm out of here.
Hey, we're headed over to our next 3D printed house. You want to run the machine today?
Yeah, just give me 1 second.